So my friend, this is Amit and you're at my channel Information and Educational Video. So here I am going to provide you the complete roadmap to get 320 plus in BITSAT 2023 examination. As you also know, the examination is of 390 marks. That is, from last year they have decreased the total number of questions. It is currently they are asking only 390 marks question, that is 130 question total. So first of all, I would like to inform you about the examination pattern because the pattern has been changed. So 30 question will be there from physics, 30 question from chemistry, 40 from biology or mathematics. So as we are covering for BTech admission, so we will be discussing about mathematics. So 40 question will be there from mathematics and 20 question from logical reasoning, also called LR, and 10 question will be there from English. So for every type of subject I will discuss the complete important topic, how you need to cover them and what should be the best strategy in order to get the good score, that is 320 plus, because once you will score 320 plus you will get the CSE in Pilani campus, that is the main campus. Later I will provide you the video for 280 plus, that is you will able to get the Hyderabad as well as Goa campus also, that is the CSE branch, and for a 250 plus 200 plus as well, because up to that marks also you will be able to get the college, because last year a student have got the college up to 160 marks as well. So please try to watch this video till the end so that you will get the complete information. So first of all, let me start with the important topic and later I will discuss how you need to cover them. So first of all, so let me start with the physics first. So in physics you need to first go with unit and dimension. Obviously you know, because from unit and dimension there will be question, and also it will help you to solve the other question. And also very importantly, I am informing you the dynamics of different entrance exam is different, so you can't prepare like same. That is, I am comparing JEE Mains and BITSAT, because in JEE Mains there is only 75 question to be attempted in 3 hours, but here the number of question is different, it is 130. So you have to be careful, because only your knowledge doesn't matter here, your speed also matter the most. So how you will master that also I will discuss in this same video. So first of all, you need to go with unit and dimension, and thereafter you need to go with kinematics, and you have to cover maximum chapter because you are looking for higher mark, that is 320 plus to get the Pilani CSE. Once you get 320 you can get everything in BITSAT counseling. Next, if you talk about the next chapter that you need to cover is impulse and momentum and work energy. Please try to go with the syllabus of BITSAT 2023. They have already informed you on the official website, you will able to check, that is go with their syllabus, because there is some difference in the syllabus of JEE Mains and BITSAT. So that's why I'm providing you the complete list of important chapter so that you will work only on that chapter if you are looking for joining the BITS colleges in 2023. So next chapter that you need to cover is work energy, thereafter gravitation, and thereafter mechanics of solid and fluids. Some chapter I am skipping because those are not so much important, and also there will be very high level question, that is tough question, and you will do the negative marking there. So it is my duty to provide you the important chapter that will be having more question, and also it is easy to prepare as soon as possible. Now if you talk about the next chapter, that oscillation, waves, and thereafter heat and thermodynamics, electrostatic, current, electricity, then you need to go with EMI, thereafter you need to go with modern physics, electronic devices. So these are the chapter that you need to cover in physics. So now I would like to inform you about my complete mentorship and guidance program, as I have guided lots of students for BITSAT examination who got good score and joined BITS Pilani, BITS CSE, BITS Hyderabad, BITS Goa, BITS CSE or EC branch. And from last 3-4 years I am guiding the student. If you want, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number. There is a very nominal charge for that. Once you register according to your goal on a daily basis, I will be guiding you so that you will get the best result, not only in BITSAT but for JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, as well as other entrance exam, whatever you are going to appear, that is Manipal entrance test or AEEE, Comet Cape or VIT EEE. I will be guiding you for everything once you register with my guidance. So if you want, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number available in the description box. So let's continue this video. That is, now I will talk about chemistry. So here is the first thing that you need to cover, states of matter, and thereafter atomic structure. Thereafter you need to cover thermodynamics. I think in the syllabus it is not mentioned, but you need to cover the mole concept, that is basic concept of chemistry, that is required to get good score, because you have to be master in that field. Now if you talk about the next chapter, then electrochemistry, thereafter you need to complete chemical kinetics, thereafter hydrogen and S block, and then you need to go with PDF block, and also you need to go with principle of organic chemistry and hydrocarbon. These are very important topic that you need to go. And once again I am informing you, please download the syllabus, because some of the syllabus are not part of BITSET syllabus 2023, so you cover only the important thing. Now the most important thing, organic chemistry. I said this statement in every video, that is each strategy video. If your GOC part is good, then only go with the organic part, otherwise you can skip whole organic chemistry. But you are targeting 320 out of 390 mark, that is quite tough to get, so you have to cover the organic chemistry also. But if you are targeting less, you can skip this whole organic chemistry part. Now if you talk about the next one, that is you need to cover the last chapter of class 11 and class 12. There will be simple question from that chapter, please try to cover that. Now if you talk about the English, then is very easy. If you are from CBSE board or ICIC board, or even from state board, you will able to get the good marks in English, that is 10 out of 10 or 9 at least you will get. It is grammar, vocabulary, reading comprehension, composition, this type of question will be there. Now if you talk about the logical reasoning, that is also a very important thing to know, because 20 question will be there. And in logical reasoning, very easy question will be there, that is very easy from 8, 9, 10 level. It is verbal reasoning as well as non-verbal reasoning, and also the question will be there from paper cutting, figure matrix, rule detection, everything. This type of thing will be covered. You can check the syllabus for that also, or sidewise I am showing you the syllabus as well. Now if you talk about the mathematics, then algebra, obviously first thing that you need to cover. In that, complex number is there, quadratic equation is there, arithmetic and geometric progression, logarithmic and its properties, exponential series. These are the things that are the part of algebra. And now if you talk about the next one, then trigonometry. Thereafter you need to go with two-dimensional coordinate geometry, three-dimensional coordinate geometry, more importantly three-dimensional. It is more important than two-dimensional. Now if you talk about the calculus, then it is again like organic chemistry. If you know limit, derivative, everything very clearly, then go with the calculus part, that is full. Otherwise you can skip also, but you are targeting high marks, so you need to cover it. So integral calculus as well as differential equation also. Next, the very important is probability. There will be multiple question, vector, statistics. So these are the chapter from where you need from where maximum number of question will be asked in BITSET examination. As per my experience of last 3-4 years, I am providing you the information. So this was the complete information regarding the important topic, and now I will discuss how you can cover. So obviously if you are joined in a coaching center, they should provide you all the material and information. But if not, then you can contact me for complete mentorship and guidance. Once you register, I will be guiding you, because different students have different type of IQ level, different type of target. Some of you may be targeting 320, some of you may target 220, 250, 280. So according to your expectation, I will be guiding you on a daily basis. If you want, you can contact me. But for physics, it is very simple, just get the concept and solve enough number of questions. For chemistry, NCERT will be enough, but if you get some extra material, that will be more helpful for you to solve the question fastly, because knowing the concept is not the final thing here in BITSET. You have to be fast at solving the question also. That I will be providing the technique so that you will be able to solve more question, and more importantly mathematics, because mathematics have higher weightage, that is 40 question will be there. So you have to cover mathematics in detail, that is practice is the key, particularly in mathematics. So thanks for watching this video. This was about the complete preparation strategy to get 320 plus within 15 to 20 days of preparation, or even 25 days. If you haven't prepared a little bit, if you have prepared for JEE Mains, it will take only 15 to 20 days for you. So hope you get this information very useful for you. This will help you to get the good result. Thank you.